Hi, I'm Jed. I'm the founder and CEO of Delphix. Delphix is a database virtualization software company. What we do is we virtualize the data files and logs that make up databases, and we help companies roll out their application projects faster, many times by 20 to 50 to 500%. We do that by enabling instant database provisioning, refresh, and rollback. And instead of creating the multiple copies that businesses need for development, testing, QA, staging, or operational reporting environments, what we do is we serve up all these environments off of a virtual single data authority. It's a software product that synchronizes with production database sources and then can provision 10 or 20 virtual copies for all of these downstream uses. As a result, we enable developers to work much more efficiently through their software development or application development lifecycle. In many cases, we help companies get to as many virtual or agile environments as they need for an agile development and project methodology. So instead of having one shared environment, they can have one per developer. Overall, what we're able to do is take some processes like refreshing or provisioning a new environment down from weeks or months into seconds and minutes with a self-service interface. So you can drop our software into the environment, we'll connect to a production database, and then through the use of our software, you can enable roles and privileges that a single developer could create a refreshing environment with the proper authority, roles, and privileges in a couple seconds or minutes. So it's really trying to deliver a lot more agility around database infrastructure. And in addition, we'll save a lot in terms of the hardware infrastructure. So instead of creating 5 or 10 redundant copies, we serve that all off of a single shared footprint. So generally, our customers will be able to pay for the software itself with their savings in hardware. Customers use Delphix for a variety of different purposes. So you can use us certainly to accelerate application projects and just basically development, QA, testing, and application life cycles. Customers also use us for operational reporting, so you can run operational reports off of virtual databases instead of physical databases. You can also use our copies to replace disk backup solutions and as a disaster recovery mechanism. One of the big benefits of our software is you can drop our virtual appliances into remote locations. We can connect across the WAN and enable remote development teams to work very effectively on local virtual data sets. So there are a large variety of use cases that Delphix will really accelerate. One of the big areas that we're used for is for ERP implementations, and we can really accelerate ERP implementations for Oracle EBS or SAP, often by 20 to 50%. That applies for BI or MDM programs as well.